Hello and welcome to this course, Introduction to OpenStack. I'm your instructor, Manoj Agarwal. In the past decade, cloud computing has been gaining popularity at a tremendous rate. Some cloud providers are experiencing a growth rate of 50% year over year, which is just astounding. And the reason for this growth is obvious. Cloud computing enables ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources which can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal effort. As companies across the globe enjoy the benefits of public cloud infrastructure, they also want to leverage the same principles of cloud computing and bring those benefits to how they manage their own private data centers or build private clouds on top of public cloud infrastructure. This provides more secure and highly efficient way to manage pooled resources which could be shared amongst various departments or groups within the organization. The provisioning and consumption of these shared resources become much smoother, and consumers can use these resources on self-service basis, eliminating lengthy provisioning wait times. OpenStack is a free and open source software platform for building and managing our own IaaS cloud infrastructure. The software platform consists of interrelated components that control hardware pools of processing, storage, and networking resources throughout a data center. Users either manage it through a web-based dashboard, or through a command line tools, or through a RESTful API. In this course, we will get an introduction to OpenStack and its various components and services. I hope you enjoy this course and the information I'm going to share with you. So let's get started. Here is an overview of the course and what we are going to cover in subsequent lectures. First, we will understand what cloud computing is and what sorts of benefits does cloud computing provide over the traditional computing methodologies. We will also get a quick overview of OpenStack. Then we will review some of the core concepts and terms related to OpenStack. We will also go over the architecture and subcomponent services of OpenStack. In the end, we will get a walkthrough of OpenStack GUI client called Horizon. This is the main interface through which end users interact with and consume OpenStack services.